Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today I am so excited because I am reviewing the Vampira palette from Lunatick Cosmetic Labs. This is the gorgeous, beautiful Vampira, and this is the lovely, lovely palette that I have used to create, to create this look. Lunatick Cosmetic Labs is a really fun, independently owned cosmetic company. It is, I would say, horror genre cosmetics, vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free. And it is my aesthetic 100% right up my alley, exactly the kind of makeup that I love to purchase. A while back, I reviewed Baby Bat Beauty liquid lipsticks, which is another independently owned vegan and cruelty-free company. And within the comments section, a young lady by the name of Ellen White commented that she would like to see me review this palette by Lunatick Cosmetics, and today is the day. So thank you so much for the suggestion. I have been dying to review this palette myself. I purchased this beauty on October 30th of this year. It was a little Halloween gift to myself, I guess. And it normally retails for $35 on their website at Lunatick Cosmetic Labs, but I was able to get it at a discount, and I saved $10.50 on it, and I couldn't resist the temptation to buy this palette with a significant discount like that. There are 5 pans here, and they are basically all shimmer shades, with the exception of Nefarious, which is the sort of matte black, but it has a little bit of glitter to it, which is really fun. But Necromancer is like a copper shimmer. Astro Vamp is a deep, deep purple shimmer. We have Untarnished, which is a really nice silver shimmer, which I used on my eyelids. And then, of course, there's Velvet Moon, which is almost like I want to say like a pinkish shimmer highlighter. And I used it on my cheekbones, on my nose, and actually on my clavicle, a little bit like right here, to highlight. And I've used all 5 shades in the look that I have created today. But first, I want to show you the unboxing of this lovely, lovely palette. I wanted the sound on during this part of the video, but they were doing construction. It was very loud. So with my wine key, I'm opening up the box. So cute on the inside, attention to detail. You see the heart-shaped skeleton hands? That is on a black sparkly background. So, so pretty. Little backstory for the Vampira palette, which I will share with you guys later. Again, there's that sparkly box, and the attention to detail is exquisite with this company. This is a little sticker, if you will. It's kind of like a tarot card style. It says Inflection. Fragile AF, like my heart. Oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous palette carton packaging. Really, really lovely. Now we're going to take the palette out of this lovely box, and oh my gosh, how exquisite. I love this palette so, so much already, and I hadn't opened it at that point yet. Vegan and cruelty-free, PETA approved, and wow, you guys, I wish that you see a little bit of sparkle there. The sun's just kind of glistening off of these shimmer glittery pans, and it is just absolutely stunning in person. And now for the worst swatch in swatching history. That is Velvet Moon, a breathtaking highlight shade, which you just can barely see. My swatch just doesn't do it justice. Untarnished is like a silver foil. Astro Vamp, that is like a deep purple shimmer shade with glitter as well. Necromancer, kind of a coppery, shimmery, glittery shade, very buttery. And finally, Nefarious, which is a deep matte shade with glitter. Gorgeous. I thought I'd try something new and do an outdoor unboxing, but I need to perfect that a little bit because I was really hoping that the direct sunlight would pick up all of the beautiful shimmer in these really creamy eyeshadows. And I hope that you are able to see a little bit of that. But now let's get into this look and I'll show you how I created this vampy wing eyeliner look for, incidentally, hooded and mature eyes. Mila Nurmi, aka Vampira, is the inspiration for my aesthetic. Obviously there's a little bit of like 1950s pinup. There's probably a little bit of Audrey Hepburn mixed into this look, as well as probably Spock, if I'm being honest. He was the first vegetarian character that I've ever seen on a TV show on Star Trek. But Mila Nurmi, Vampira, has been an inspiration for me for my sort of dark vampy aesthetic for many, many, many years. She is the original Scream Queen, the OG vamp goddess. And here is a little bit of background on who Vampira actually is. Earlier during the unboxing portion of this video, I showed you a card which had Vampira Hollywood legend on it, and I want to read that backstory for you now. We are overjoyed and humbled to have been given the opportunity to honor the late and great Vampira Mila Nurmi, television's first horror hostess of her time. Mila paved the way for generations of boils and ghouls after her, and did so in the early 1950s, a time when it was considered uncouth in a straight-laced society of cookie-cutter housewives. You were a pioneer, and we honor your legendary Hollywood legacy with pride. We love you, and we thank you, Mila. Rest in peace, Lunatick Cosmetic Labs. It has truly been a pleasure to review this absolutely gorgeous palette. My first purchase from Lunatick Cosmetic Labs. Please, please do check out their website. I'm going to put their link right here, and I'm also going to put it down below. They have really, really wonderful quality cosmetics with really fun sort of theme, I guess, horror glam. And you'll see when you click on their website just how fun their palette and their cosmetic offerings truly, truly are. I hope you've enjoyed your week and that you enjoy your weekend. I thank you so much again for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.